Welcome home, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. We always appreciate you. Today we're going to show you Flintstone Circle. Flintstone Circle was intended to be a long-term rental, so we're going to show you that some of these flips are easier than others. In this one, as you can see on the pop-up, all we did was change out some old dingy carpeting, and we did the same paint over and over. We touched it up. We replaced the floors with tile. They were linoleum, and we really didn't upgrade too many things that we didn't need to. When you're doing a buy and hold and you're keeping a rental property, you don't want to invest more than you have to, because over time, tenants do tend to damage things. And in these homes, they have 3-4 bedrooms, so you're going to have children. You don't want the children to be in a space where they can't, let's say, live in it, but you don't want to put brand new things where the damage is going to become way more costly than your security deposits. So we put some nice flooring to bring out the colors in the paint, and that's all we really did here. It was a really cheap turnover with the upgrades that we did, tearing out the linoleum and putting the new flooring down. We added some new appliances and some minor touch-ups, a couple of shingles that we repaired, a couple of little fixtures that we upgraded, and for about $8,000 all in, we were able to add $50,000 to our ARV. You see those new appliances there. We painted over the cabinets, put some new countertops in. So this was a really cost-effective way to make 500% on our investment, and that other $50K we're going to use to continue flipping and fixing. So I hope you like this video. Drop a comment.